request, exercise 11C, question 1h. It's the integral of 1 over 9 plus 16 t squared dt. All right, we know we are using our inverse trig functions for this. First thing I'm going to do is on the bottom line, I'm going to factorise out 16. 9 over 16 plus t squared bracket dt. I did that because I want a 1 coefficient in front of the t squared. So that's my first step. The 1/16 can go out here. Integral 1 over 9 over 16 plus t squared dt. Now there's no square root sign on the denominator, so that puts us in that we're going, okay, it's going to be tan. Now this is very similar to the tan rule. We can apply it, but the tan rule says that we don't, if this is a squared plus x squared, I want a on the top line. So I actually want 9 over 16 plus t squared dt. I want, what's the square root of 9 over 16? Oh, that's 3/4. I want a 3/4 on the top line, which means I have to divide by a 3/4 at the front. Now remembering, dividing by a 3/4 is the same as timesing by 4 on 3. Now I've got 3/4, 9/16 plus t squared dt. Stepping it down, this is going to be 1/12, 3/4, 9 over 16 plus t squared dt. So, moving on with that, we know it's tan. Now it's a over a squared plus x squared. So this is going to equal 1/12, because my 12th just stays at the front. Tan to the -1, t over 3/4 plus c. Now remembering, when we do this, that dividing by 3/4 is the same as multiplying by 4 over 3. And there's our final answer.